Producers, engineers, please don't hate me for this.
Jesus Christ, that's ZndBorn.
I have to do this video because this is going to help somebody out there. If this was around a long time ago, it would have been tremendously helpful for me. So I have to make this video. Hopefully it'll help somebody out there. Put the disclaimer on it. There's absolutely no substitute for a properly written, properly recorded, properly mixed and mastered song. There is always going to be a debate out there as to whether or not running your signal through analog hardware sounds better than running it through plugins. If we are being honest, there's nothing like the sound of running audio through hardwiring, transistors, transformers, tubes. There are so many intangibles that are hard to calculate. It's rarely a one-to-one comparison if we're being honest. And the argument out there is that hardware sounds better. I lean toward that as well. Although obviously you can get amazing sounding mixes with plugins. That's not what we're here to talk about today though. Running your sound through a good piece of hardware sounds better.
So I'm lying. Am I lying? No.
Don't lie to me. If you are out there, and I know you're out there because I'm out there too, and you make beats, you make instrumentals, you make your own songs, you record them in your house, in your home studio, at your friend's house. It's not in some properly treated room. It's not in some amazing studio. Or maybe it is. You just need it to hit a little bit more. You know what I'm talking about? You need it to sound a little bit closer to that top 10 record sound. Like people just have to hear it right. If only I had the whatever like Jason Joshua has. If only I had the blah 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 like Tony Maserati or Josh Goodwin. It needs to knock, it needs to open up a bit more. Go through your old catalog of all your beats, all your instrumentals, pull out all of your old hits, pull out those sleepers, and here's what you're gonna do. Go to accessanalog.com, download Access Analog's plugin right now. Then you're gonna load your song. You're gonna load one of those old hits, one of those old goated tracks that you have. You're gonna load that song into this mastering chain. This is Pete Lyman's mastering chain, and the best part is that they already have presets laid out for you, so you don't even have to know what you're doing. They have it tweaked and ready for exactly what you need. You select a preset, you hit process, save it, and you're done. That's it. Your song has just been processed through thousands and thousands of dollars of gear that all of the pros use, all of the secrets that you hear about, all of the intangible sound, the saturation, the color, the love, every audio buzzword that you hear about just by running your song through this mastering chain, through that preset. Congratulations, you've just leveled the playing field significantly. That's the whole extra degree right there. That's it. Don't take my word for it. This video is not sponsored by Access Analog. This is just a gem that I'm passing along to you. I know I just unlocked somebody. I know it. It's a cheat code, guys. I'm just the messenger. Blame Access Analog. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. I want to look